Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to see recently added friends on someone else's Facebook account. In order to do that, let's head over, for example, into one of our friends. Let's head over right here into our friends option right there, and you should be able to find them right here. Now in here, just go over to this person and you can find in here, depending on their account type, their recently added friend. So this person right here is actually a digital account, so we won't be able to see it. We can also try seeing from other people as well. So from in there, for example, we have in here this person. If their friend suggestions is available, they should be able to input right here. So for example, on my friend right here, they have in here this. So as you can see, their friends are not visible. So often some cases that you have a friend who have a visible friend section, you should be able to find it right there. So for example, let's try to look in here for a person. Now into this, you can head over to a person's profile under the people page. And in here, if their friends are available into this part, you should be able to see that right there. So it will actually be arranged in an ascending order. So the first person that you can see under friends part is actually the recently added friends that they have. So that's how you see recently added friends on someone else's Facebook account. Hope we helped.